What a beautiful morning, guys. Woo! It's so beautiful. Like, feel like I'm in a movie. My phone should not fall down, oh please, oh. So beautiful. Ethan, stop screaming, please. The window is opened. Good morning, guys. It's the weekend. I just woke up. Guys, it's so fine, so beautiful. I'm in Ethan's room. Ooh, nobody is outside though. It's cold and I'm opening the window. As in, I've not seen this height of snow. Like it snows, but this height. Nobody is outside. Ethan, we need to go and build snowman today. Oh. No, it's beautiful. I feel like I'm in the movies. All those Christmas movies. Good morning, guys.
Hi guys, good morning guys. Yeah, so this morning, or this afternoon actually, I'm the only one going out, and this is because we need to get some stuff, some food stuff at the African store and the Asian store. It's snow overnight and everywhere is just wet, cold and slippery. So I try to go alone so that we don't have to go with Ethan and try to be faster. I'm going alone and you can see everywhere there's snow. Like look at the bus stop. You know, everywhere is messy, so we don't want to go out with Ethan and your family. I decided to go alone, try to be faster. You know, stuff everywhere. Water, messy, slippery, cold. So I'm going to the Asian store, the African store, and the Turkish store, to get different things for the weekend. I'm going to carry you guys along and show you some stuff. I'm waiting for the bus. Freezing cold. My hands are freezing. My first stop is the Asian store. So next I'm at the Turkish store or Arab store. I just want to get some spinach. Yep, and that is. That is African stuff. I just finished from the African store now. Some of the stuff I have the rest in my bag. Right now, I'm waiting for the bus.
Hey, guys. Looks so good. See my tired face. This weekend, today is Saturday and I've been very busy. I think I vlogged in the morning when it snowed, when we woke up to meet plenty snow. So because of the weather, hubby went to the market for us. Instead of us all of us going together. So he just said he will quickly go so that he can come back on time, maximum 2 hours or 1 hour plus. So I don't know if I'll be vlogged, but I'll ask him. So yeah, I just finished making my vegetable soup. Yeah, we made vegetable, and this is past 5, but I want to make this semo. You know when you just want to do everything and leave the kitchen so I can bathe and just enjoy the rest of the evening. So even though it's still very bright outside and we're not having dinner now, so I'll just make this semolina and wrap it. People know how our mothers used to wrap it now. I'll wrap it with big duvet and keep, so that by the time we have dinner, maybe by 7, yeah, it will still be very, very warm. I'll just microwave the soup or something. So yeah, that's what I've been up to. You guys can see I'm very tired. You can tell from my face, from cleaning to this to cooking. It's not easy. How are you guys doing? Catch up with you guys later. I want to quickly do the dishes and just clear up the kitchen. Then the water for my semo is already on fire. So yeah, just turn the semo, and yeah, that's all. Later, guys. Hey guys, good afternoon guys. I feel like it's been a very busy week for me. I don't know why. I hardly have time these days, from waking up in the morning, tidying the house, blah blah blah. I don't just know, I've just been busy. Classes, maybe because of classes, assignments. You guys know I'm currently taking my German course online, but I'll be switching to the physical school next week. I'll be starting. I don't know, I just feel like I've been very busy this week, and even if I tell you I've not picked the camera in days, you people won't believe, because you won't really know because of backlogs and all that. So yeah, I've been there. How are you guys doing? I'm in the kitchen currently. I'm trying to make a meat pie sauce, or I'll say chicken pie because I'm using chicken. I'm trying to make the sauce. Okay, I'm vlogging that separately. In fact, life of a content creator is not easy. Like, you'll be doing vlog upon vlog, like you're vlogging different vlogs. There's a vlog currently ongoing. We are planning a baby shower for one of us. I've started that vlog already, from the preparation, going to buy props, balloon and all that. So I don't know which is coming first, but whichever, at least this one will not go. It will go after the baby shower, because definitely we're planning for one of us and she watches my channel. So all these things I'm saying, it was the after the baby shower. So yeah, and we all just us, the ladies, we came together to just make it minimal for her. So I'm currently handling the meat pie. Okay, let me say chicken pie. So I'm making my sauce, so it will be easy. I'll just freeze it. So on the morning of the baby shower, it's on Sunday, so I'll just bake, and it will be very easy for me. So that's what I'm currently doing. So we all we all divided everything. We are handling various things. So I'm handling the pie. Yeah. So how are you guys doing? Today is Thursday, yeah, and the baby shower is Sunday, yeah. So you guys will be seeing this vlog probably next week after the baby shower. Let me show you guys what I'm doing. Yeah, so I just poured in the potato and the carrot, yeah. Then I decided to just pick up the camera. I see my hair is so rough. I messaged the lady. She said she's not available on Saturday. Someone already booked her before I messaged her, so I don't know what to do. And I'm starting classes next week. This is what I'll be taking. I'll just manage it till her weekend, when she'll be available. How you guys doing? I'm just there. So yeah, I just got to update the vlog. When my sauce is ready, I'll show you guys, and yeah, that's it. I'll talk to you guys later in the vlog.
Why you calling me?
Ethan, the weather is very hot today, warm. Hi guys. Our weather is very warm today, 13 degrees, as in I feel so hot, and I view as in you can even come out with hood, like you feel very okay.
I'm surprised that you cannot do that.
Are you sure?
Yes, now.
But it
sure
feels
they're walking fast.
It feels so warm.
They're walking fast.
How are you guys doing? We're just going for groceries. By now, you people should know that, yeah, when we're walking like this,
thank God it's Friday.
It's groceries, yeah. Ethan, say hello. Ethan, say hi. Say hello. Yeah, enjoying. Let's go now.
Push it. Yeah. Push it. Yeah. To walk. Do something. Push it. Very well. Push it.
So yeah, nothing much, guys. Today has been very busy. I don't even know. I feel like today was so busy. You, Uncle? You feel busy, right?
This week's.
Although I just finished my I just finished my own online class. This is past 5 and I finished 5 sharp. So immediately I finished, we just dress up to go grocery. Yeah, so nothing much. Guys, whenever I come to the supermarket like this, I like the lightning. The lightning is always so fine. The videos will be fine and sharp. We're still shopping. Hobby went back to get cabbage. We have carrot at home and you can just make coleslaw over the weekend. So we already passed the aisle, so he had to go back to pick it. So we're just waiting for him. Yeah, he's coming already. Ball. Voila. It's and that's not ball. That's cabbage. Boko. Hey guys. How you guys doing? Guys, it's been a busy week for me, like very very busy week for me. I don't know why. So it's going to be in another vlog, but I think I mentioned in this vlog too that okay, yeah, the day I was making the sauce for my meat pie, I said we are preparing for a baby shower for one of us. So today is the baby shower and I've been so busy baking meat pie. Yeah, I'm done. I just finished baking. So and my boss comes in. I want to leave the house around 1:30 thereabout so that I can get to the venue by let's say 2. It's not up to 30 minutes, but let me just say 2. So it's a surprise baby shower and the husband will be bringing her. We don't know what lie I told the wife, but want it to be a surprise, and we gave them 4 p.m. So we are using the house of one of us, Uche, and I want to get there by 2 so that we can decorate quickly. We've bought the balloons and the props. It's just going to be something small, just intimate, small gathering. Like I said earlier, we're not inviting everyone, just for us to make her feel, like she has people here in Germany too. Yeah, so I just finished baking my meat pie. I just thought to, stop by, update the vlog, show you guys the meat pie and close this particular vlog. So you guys should make sure you watch out for the baby shower vlog. It's going to be a separate vlog Okay, so I started when we went to buy stuffs for the baby shower, the planning, and I'm going to be capturing as much as I can of the event. So subscribe, like this video, comment, okay, so that and turn on the bell notification so that you get notified when we drop videos. So yeah, let me show you the meat pie, and I want to close this vlog, and it's been busy, but I don't know if I was able to capture as much as I should, but I had a very busy week. So yeah, that's it. Subscribe and watch out for the baby shower vlog. Bye guys, but I'm going to show you the pie. Bye. So guys, that's it. Most of it is breaking already, and I don't know why, and I have to still transport it to where I'm going to. It was in the process of when I was moving it from the baking pan to the foil. So these two broke. I still have some in the oven, but I'm planning to take just 10 pieces. Like I said, it's just a small gathering, will not even be more than 6 or 7, so at least we can have extra 3. So I'm taking 10. I still have some in the oven, so I might just replace it with these two. The one in the oven is for home consumption, so for my hubby, myself, and my son. So I can just replace it with these two. Then so that's it. Then pack it up. All right guys, bye. Like, share with family and friends. See you guys next time. Bye.